I haven't made a video, so I'm gonna make a video now for Blinkstream as well. Now I'm gonna click on the link. This is how you do the install and what happens. Okay. I've clicked on the link, and I'm gonna go to download Blinkstream APK. So download, starting download, open file. Now it's already been installed. As simple as that. So okay, now I'm just gonna simply go to my apps. It should be website. The apps is there. That's not there. Let me go do that again. I made a mistake. Apologize. Download links. Download. Open file. Okay. You must open the package installer or downloader or something like that. Install. I'm installing it. No credit card details needs to be put in. You mustn't do that. And it's done. I open it. Let's give permissions. It's compatible. Allow. Continue. What you do is you scroll down. Okay. If you can do that ad free, then it's going to ask you for credit details. Yes. Then you must pay for it. You say decline. Okay. Get started. And there you go. Now you can go and watch whatever. I mean, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Then you just try the other link and so forth. Let someone go to Imminent Movies or click the key somewhere. Okay, oh yeah, you're gonna have to download one of these things. I've got that one, and I think I've got that one as I've got this one. Okay, now it's gonna play in that one. If it's not installed, it will ask you to install. Then you install it.
Ek is gebore en getoer in Kaapstad. Ek het toe by die ou Spystheater gewerk. Dis nou ons praat nou van die 70e jare. En
yeah, it's nice. Then you also got like sports channels here at the bottom. Yeah, I suppose if there's nothing going on, then obviously it won't play. But let's for interest sake, someone going to the golf one. I know there's always golf going on. So yeah, there you see. There's golf going on. And yeah, so anyway, that's just to quickly show you what you call it. Alright. So yeah, that's all about Blinks.